Which cleanser should you use if you're using a retinol product? Well, number one, it depends upon your Baumann skin type, so you need to take the quiz to make sure you're using the right cleanser for your skin type. But also, when you're first starting out on retinoids, you don't want to use a lot of exfoliating cleansers like facial scrubs, or a low pH cleanser might be too irritating for you when you're starting out a retinol. So when you're starting out a retinol, make sure that you're following the instructions in your skincare regimen that we will give you, because retinol is an exfoliator and your skin's already getting exfoliated by the retinol, so you don't need an exfoliating cleanser when you're starting retinol. If you're on retinol and you have dry skin, you're going to want a creamy cleanser. If you're on a retinol and you have oily skin, you're going to use more of a foaming cleanser. But again, it depends upon your Baumann skin type, and most people are wrong, so make sure you take the quiz before you buy a cleanser to go with your new retinol.